Have you ever caught a cold or the flu and wished you could stop it right in its tracks? What if there was a natural, non-toxic drink you could make at home that could help your body fight off infection without the harmful side effects of over-the-counter antibiotics? Let's take a moment to look at the big picture of antibiotics. The main thing you need to know is that antibiotics are designed to kill bacteria, not viruses. So if you're battling a viral infection, they won't help. The problem comes when antibiotics are overprescribed or taken unnecessarily. Over time, this can lead to antibiotic resistance. This means that the bacteria that survive the treatment become stronger and more difficult to fight off with standard antibiotics. But there's a bigger issue. Antibiotics don't just target the bad bacteria. They wipe out good bacteria too, which helps maintain a healthy microbiome. When the balance is thrown off, it can lead to overgrowths of things like candida or yeast, which are also harmful. Another important point is that some antibiotics, especially the more powerful ones, come with serious side effects. For instance, Cipro or Levaquin can cause tendinitis or even tendon ruptures. So, if you do need antibiotics, always support your body by taking magnesium, vitamin E, and probiotics to replenish your good bacteria. But here's the thing. Antibiotics have been around for a long time. Thousands of years ago, ancient cultures used natural remedies, often relying on plants and herbs that contain powerful antimicrobial properties. These natural remedies don't contribute to antibiotic resistance and don't kill off the beneficial microbes in your gut. In fact, some of them are still being studied for their potential to fight resistant bacteria. One of the most powerful natural antibiotics is garlic. Garlic contains over 33 different sulfur compounds that have strong antimicrobial effects. Compare that to penicillin, which only has one. And it's easy to see why garlic might be a more sustainable, effective alternative. So how can you harness the power of nature to fight off infections at the first sign of illness? Let's dive into the recipe for a natural antibiotic drink that you can make at home. The natural antibiotic drink recipe. Garlic. Take 3 cloves of garlic and blend them. Garlic is packed with sulfur compounds that are antiviral and antimicrobial. Echinacea. Add 90 drops of echinacea to the mix. This herb is great for stopping infections in their tracks and is particularly effective against strep, staph infections, and sore throats. Lemon. Toss a whole organic lemon, peel, seeds, and all, into the blender. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, but they also contain antimicrobial oils in the peel and seeds. Apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps stimulate phagocytosis, which is the immune system's way of cleaning up bacteria and pathogens. Raw honey. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey, or manuka honey. Honey has been used as a natural antibiotic for centuries, and its enzymes and antiseptic properties help combat infection. Water. Pour in 16 oz of water and blend everything for about 45 seconds. How to use. 1. Drink 1/3 of the mixture right away. 1. Store the remaining drink in the refrigerator for later. 2. Repeat this process 3 times a day, with a few hours in between each dose. 3. You should start feeling better within hours as the drink works to diminish your symptoms and support your immune system. For the best results, continue this for 2 to 3 days, especially if you're in the midst of an infection. Your recovery will be faster and more efficient than if you didn't take action. Bonus tips. 1. Vitamin D3. Consider adding 50,000 IU of vitamin D3 to support your immune system. 1. This vitamin plays a key role in immune defense. 2. Zinc. Add 150 mg of zinc to boost your body's ability to fight off the infection. Taking care of your body with natural remedies like this is an effective way to support your immune system and help prevent infections from taking hold. This powerful drink not only helps you fight infection, but also restores the balance in your body and aids in a faster recovery. Don't wait until you're stuck in bed with the flu. Make this natural antibiotic drink at the first sign of symptoms to stop the infection before it even starts. Ready to take control of your health? Start making your own natural antibiotic drink today and share this powerful recipe with your friends and family. Stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, nature has a solution for everything. Hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share this with someone who needs a natural, effective remedy for their next cold or flu.